Hey you guys, as promised before, the follow-up on this mystery plane shown in our first video on this channel. The mystery airplane is actually the MC-21. It's this new Russian airliner. It's sort of like an Airbus-killer or something. It's supposed to it's like Russian response to A320 Neo. Okay, the model is by Zvezda, you guys. Here's the number. The number is 7033 Zvezda. This is the decals, very nice. It shows the demonstrator, the first airplane actually to take into skies. Some years back, I think 2017 or something. A few years back, they've flown it the first flight. Here's the color scheme, and here's the model itself. Basically, it's already like half finished. I deliberately did not send it yet, the fuselage, to show you the quality of the assembly. The kit assembles very nicely, you guys. The engines are almost finished. You can check them out. Pratt & Whitney engines. I think it was supposed to be with Pratt & Whitney, but then they switched the engines to locally produced, to domestic engines. And check this out, guys, this crazy feature of this model, the engines are actually with a spinnable compressor turbine. So if you blow, like, how to make it to show you guys. Look, it's actually spinning. First of all, you can see through the engine. It's like see-through. It's like exactly like the real ones. I mean, the quality of this kit is like absolutely beautiful, guys. The kit basically assembles itself. The quality is beautiful. No any problems whatsoever. And coming back to the engines, the compressor is actually spinnable. So if you blow in it, let me show you guys. If you blow in it, it will spin. It's hard. It's kind of hard for me to show and blow at the same time, but you get the idea, right? See, you blow. Kind of fiasco there. But it's spinning, actually. It's actually spinning. How to make it spinnable, the instructions actually show it, but there is like a small trick I will show you guys in the next video. Okay, so stick around, see the cockpit. The cockpit is very nice. There's full interior, seats, dashboard, the full cockpit detail. I added the pilots. There's the test pilots, testing this airplane, the first flight, 2017, I think. So beautiful cockpit windshield, beautiful passenger windows, nice surface detail, the full detail, the slats, the flaps, the ailerons. The lines are very crisp, you guys. The camera is very shitty. It does not do justice to this surface quality, surface detail. Anyways, you can get the first impression. So anyways, guys, follow our channel. We'll keep you updated on this build. We will sand it down, we will paint it, we will put the decals. It will look great. Anyway, guys, stick around, like and subscribe. Thank you all.